Hi everyone, I'm Suyuk from One Stop Solution. In this video, I will show you how to put Reels on Instagram story. Sharing Reels on your story can help you reach a wider audience and make your content more engaging. So let's get started on how to put Reels on Instagram story. First, open the Instagram app on your device. Next, tap on the Reels option at the bottom of your screen. Now, swipe up or down to find a reel you want to share on Instagram. On the right side of the screen, you will see a share icon. It looks like a paper airplane. Tap on this icon to bring up the sharing options. From the bottom of the menu, tap on the Add Story option. Finally, tap on the Send icon, which is an arrow pointing to the right. This will share the reel directly to your Instagram story. And this is how you can put reels on Instagram story. Thank you for watching One Stop Solution. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you won't miss our upcoming videos.